guys, Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. So I have butter slime, sky clear slime. I think this is my clear slime. No, yeah, this is my putty.
Oh, and this one is the ocean slime.
Yeah, this is the ocean slime. It doesn't really look like an ocean slime, but when I take it out, it's gonna be kind of. And I might paint it so it could be more like oceany. I think this one should be my ocean slime. So let's just get on with the video. So this is my
Sarah, we already did that.
ocean slime.
We already did that, Sarah.
Sophia, we're doing another video.
This is the same video.
So here is my jiggly slime.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, fast. So these will be giveaway slimes. Here is my butter slime. Yeah, go. It's butter. It has a very pretty consistency.
Spread it with the mark.
Okay, so I'm gonna spread it. It does stretch more, but I just stretched it like that for a while. Don't open that one. Here is my sky blue slime. It's my
Can I touch it?
Can you wait? This is my putty slime. I did make it. That's why it smells like glue. Oh. It's putty. I think it makes those poking noises. Let's check. Kind of. Now you can.
I just scratched myself.
Okay, so.
I don't hear that because that's okay. Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching. Sorry if this was a fast video. It's just that we don't have too much time right now. So here are my 3 slimes. They will be giveaway slimes. So just comment down below what slime you want. I have the sky blue slime. Put them in the notes. Sky blue, butter slime, and ocean slime. Lucky. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe to my video, and comment down below what else you guys want us to do. The both of us or one person. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hope you guys had the best summer ever. Bye.